These are the main passenger elevators at Maxon Towers in Squirrel Hill, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In case fire these elevators. These were originally old 1960s or 70s Westinghouse elevators, but sadly they were modernized by Otis with GAL Jet Plus fan resistant fixtures. I remember several years ago, I believe in around 2011, when they were in the process of being modernized and when they were a Westinghouse. Go up to the penthouse, which is the 12th floor. Here we go up. Oh, we skipped the lobby. Nice. These elevators are fairly busy. I remember this one was in the process of being modernized, and elevator 2, the one next to this one, was still original. Then when I came later, it was the vice versa, and then they were fully modded like they are now. This is an okay mod. I've seen worse. They're probably kind of needed because this is pretty busy. Here at the penthouse, there's also a service elevator next to these, which I'll film that one afterward. That one's also been modernized. We're back down the ground. There is a reception desk in the lobby, so I'm gonna try to avoid that floor. ADA phone. Pretty basic elevators. Case file over is out of service. I like the ceiling. The cab looked a little different when they were Westinghouse, and there did used to be lanterns when it was Westinghouse. I think they're a little bit dimmer. You can tell it used to have tree lighting. Well, I think it still does. They just added the weird light panels on. I was visiting the hair salon on the ground floor. They're back at ground several years ago. I do like the fixtures though. They aren't that bad. Bounced just a couple times before opening. There it closes, and that's going to be it.